Welcome back. We've learned filter for selection and map for transformation. Now, we introduce the last of the functional trio, the reduce function. The reduce function applies a function cumulatively to the items of an iterable, reducing the iterable to a single, final value. Unlike filter and map, reduce is not built in and must be imported. 1. Importing and understanding reduce. First, we must import reduce from the functals module. Reduce takes a function which must accept two arguments, an iterable and an optional initializer. It takes the first two items of the iterable and applies the function, then takes the result and the next item, and so on, until only one value remains. 2. Calculating the product with lambda and reduce. Here, our lambda is named product_lambda. It takes two arguments, ACC for accumulator or running result, and item for the current list item. It returns their product. Reduce applies this lambda cumulatively. It calculates 1 times 2, then takes the result, 2, and multiplies it by 3, then takes 6 and multiplies it by 4, resulting in the final product of 24. 3. The internal flow of reduce. Think of reduce as constantly combining the next element of the list with the accumulated result so far. This makes it ideal for aggregation operations like summation, finding the maximum value, or, as we did, calculating the product of all elements. To summarize, reduce is used for combining a list of things into one thing. The lambda must take two arguments for the current accumulation and the next item. With filter, map, and reduce, you have the core functional tools. Okay, our next lecture 13.08. Decorators. See you there.